Today's topic is to categorize the given list by the string size. There are two methods to solve such kind of a problem. Method one, that is by using a group by and a sorted method. The method two, by using the next method and a lambda. Let's start from the first method, that is by using a group by and sorted method. So first we are going to import our library, that is from editor tools we are going to import the group by. After that we are going to initialize our list, and after that we are going to sort our list since it is in a sorted form over here. But if it is not in a sorted form, then we need to sort our list, and we have sorted the list by the using a key function. By the sorting comparison, it is a length of that particular string, and after that we have used a list comprehension over here including the group by. So what this is going to do is the group by is just going to group all of those elements in which it's going to go through the function, that is function over here, which is the length, and our iterable, which is the list one. So what it's going to do is it's going to group all of those elements together which are having the same sort of the length, and after that it's going to convert that into the list, and we are storing them into the list number 2, and we have them as an output. As you can see it over here, the C and the D both are having the similar length are grouped together. Similarly B and E, and same goes for A and to the F.